Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some crackers. 2 ingredient cheese crackers. Come on, let's go. That's right, you heard it. 2 ingredients. I'm going to use Gouda cheese. And this everything bagel seasoning. It's got Asiago cheese flavor to it too. Low carb. I got my coffee. And I'm ready to get started on this. My sister-in-law got in touch with me. She said, we don't have an Aldi's here in our town. She said, you got to go over to Aldi's. They've got all kinds of cheese. That was one of the things she said. She knows I'm a cheese fan. So we got over there, and my goodness, do they have cheese. And this that you would give, I don't even know how much for here at Walmart or Kroger's, was $1.89. I was quite pleased with that. But anyhow, here's what we're gonna do. I've got a pan lined with parchment paper. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees and my handy dandy pizza slicer wheel. Now, I hope you can use Gouda cheese, because that sure is making my mouth water for starters. Sure is the cheese that I'd like to use. All you have to do, don't get the thick cheese, just make sure it's thin. Quarter it, one down, one across, and then we're just gonna lay these on our pan. Now, I'm gonna show you something, okay? Okay, let me do this. Let me see, do we really wanna make it look like a cracker? There we go, let's poke a hole. A lot of people take little, the cake decorating, well, good grief, what are them things? Anyway, and poke those in there, but I don't want to lose none of my cheese, so there's a little bitty hole. You see that? There we go. But I'm going to line these up on my prepared baking pan. My goodness, my mouth is watering. But I also got Havarti cheese. I think that's right how I'm saying it. I hope it is. If it's not, then somebody please correct me. And then I also got sharp cheddar. But I'm not going to poke the holes in all of them. I might. We'll see. We'll see. But I'm just going to line these all on there. And then after that oven gets heated to 350 degrees, we're going to put these in for about 10 minutes. I'll keep a real close eye on them. Going to get them out, let them cool down. But before we pop them in the oven, I'm going to sprinkle it with some of this everything bagel. I saw that with Asiago cheese and I was like, oh, I got to have it. I don't think I've ever even got everything bagel before. But I know, you're making cheese crackers. Why are you putting Asiago cheese flavor on it? I don't know. I saw it and I liked it. I liked the idea of it, let me say. I'm just going to do these one pan at a time because I don't want to get too much in there and it make a mess. Oh, that one went a little crooked. It's okay. Oh, let's see here. All right. Yeah, that was a bite for me. It would have been better if it was a smoked Gouda. But it's still a Gouda. Alright. There. Just like that. Ooh, that cheese is good. Actually. Righty it is. Alright, now, let me sprinkle some of this on there with hopes it stays. Seems like it kind of wastes a lot though, don't it? All right, in the oven for 10 minutes. Look at that. Listen. Did you hear that crunch? I've got the rest of them in the oven. I do indeed. Yeah. Now, for the real thing, let's see. These are so good. Perfect. Listen to that crunch. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be rude, but listen to the crunch. I've been wanting to try this for quite some time. You know, next time y'all see me, I might have a haircut. I'm a hot mess. 2 ingredient cheese crackers. Or 1 if you don't want to put the everything bagel on it. But I'm telling you, that's got Asiago cheese in it. Mix those 2 together. Awesome. Hey, if you all have not subscribed yet, I do hope you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell so you know every time that I put new content on. Typically on Tuesdays each week. Give me a thumbs up if you have tried these before, if you like them. Let me know your thoughts on them. I'm thinking maybe some cheddar cheese with some taco seasoning on it for some. Oh, I don't know. These are wonderful. Give them a try. I know you'll like it. Take care. We'll see you next time.